Hi, so this is a quick tutorial on how to use Google Slides. So first, you would open up to your Google Drive, you would press New, and you will see Google Slides right down here, and you would press it once, and this would open up to a brand new presentation for you, and you would put the topic that you were doing on the title slide, and you would put your name on the subtitle. And on the right hand side, you can choose through a variety of themes. So I'm just going to choose this one right here. And from here, the header, you have many options that you could choose. If you wanted to insert a new slide, you put insert new slide. And from here, if you wanted to upload an image, you could upload an image from here, a text box, audio, video, shapes, tables, charts, and many more. If you wanted to present, you would press View, Present, and you would go through these slides. If you wanted to download the presentation, you hit Download, you could save as a PDF, and you have this downloaded. So that's how you navigate through Google Slides.